everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my video. I'm going to show you how to do a very simple pine tree, Christmas tree kind of design since we're starting to head into the holidays. I am going to begin by dipping my liner brush into the brown and then just the tip of it into the white. I will begin by creating the base, the trunk of the tree with this. And if you want to add more brown back to this, feel free to do so, but I kind of like the combination of the brown and the white together. So then I'm going to be using a fan brush. And basically with the fan brush, I am just dipping the fan brush into the paints as I go, just tipping it in there. And then as I'm adding, because I'm not going to keep showing you, but as I'm adding, I just dip in. I'm not even cleaning the brush in between. If you have a fan brush, I'm not using anything special. Actually, this one is broken. I have several other ones, but for some reason, when I wanted to do this video, I can't seem to find them. But use what you have. Don't buy anything new. I don't like for people to spend money if they don't have to. Alright, hopefully you can see this. I'm trying to work with the glare. So basically I'm going to just start tapping onto the glass. And you can use the bristles, you can use just however you want to with this brush. You can just tap like this, or you can do just smaller amounts. It just really depends on the amount of pressure, how big you want to make your branches. Since there are a variety of different types of trees that can be Christmas trees, just do your branches how you want them to be, because some go up, some go down. I just kind of like to have them out away like this. But if you want to have them going more in the upper direction as opposed to down, feel free to do so. And I just like to come out from the center of the tree and have the bottom petals be more, the longer, and get shorter as I get towards the top. And so I just turned it on its edge to create the top of it. And by the time we're done, we're going to probably cover up a good part of the center branch, or the center trunk. I should say it's not really a branch, it's the trunk. You might still see a little bit of it, but not going to see the whole thing. Okay, so I am going to show you this. I'm just going to dip in here, maybe do a few little blending strokes, and then come back in here to add this color in. And you can have, more pressure if you want, or just try to add more branches as you go along. You can make them as full, as thick, thin, however you want to do it. And then I'm going to add, this may seem kind of odd, but I'm going to add some violet into this. And this is just kind of try to help give it, some shading. Maybe even some depth into the center of it. And then I can go back over it with maybe some more green to kind of blend it in a little bit. And then the last one I'm going to go into is some white. Because I'm thinking, you know, okay, maybe it snowed a little. So I'm going to put some light in this. But not all the branches have light, just a little bit. And then I can come across the bottom here if I want, just to maybe pile up a little bit of snow underneath. And there you have it. If you want to add more trees, you can, but I'm just going to leave it like this. If you want to make the trunk of it thicker, you can do so with that. I just wanted to do it just as I did. I like it just like this, but you know, make it yours. However you want your tree to look, have fun with it and enjoy. Along with this video, I am doing just a light little sound bath in behind, and I'm infusing it with Reiki energy. So I hope you enjoy the combination of the painting and the sounds in the back. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, that you subscribe to my channel, and please share this with your family and friends. I would appreciate it. Until the next time, I appreciate you stopping by, and you have a good one.